Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the enchanting world of wooden art. We'll uncover the secrets to creating beautiful, unique pieces that will elevate any space. Whether you're an experienced crafter or just starting out, these ideas will inspire your creativity. Let's get started. Segment 1, Understanding Wood. First, let's talk about the beauty of wood itself. Each piece has its own character, grain, and texture. Choosing the right type of wood can make a huge difference in your project. Soft woods like pine are great for beginners, while hardwoods like oak add elegance to your art. Remember, the imperfections in the wood can enhance its beauty, so embrace them. Segment 2, Unique Art Ideas. Now, let's explore some unique wooden art ideas. Wooden planters. Create stunning wooden planters by combining function with artistry. Use reclaimed wood for a rustic look, or paint them in vibrant colors. Add patterns with stencils for a personal touch. Wall art. Transform wood slices into beautiful wall art. Arrange them in creative patterns, and consider adding a splash of color with paint or wood stain. Hang them as a focal point in any room. Decorative coasters. Make your own coasters from slices of wood. Customize them with engravings or paint. Not only are they functional, but they also serve as beautiful conversation starters. Segment 3, Techniques to Enhance Beauty. Let's discuss some techniques that can enhance the beauty of your wooden art. Staining and finishing. Using wood stains can highlight the natural grain. Experiment with different shades to find what complements your decor best. Incorporating natural elements. Consider adding elements like stones, moss, or shells to your wooden art. This can create a beautiful contrast and add a touch of nature. Mixed media. Combine wood with other materials such as metal or glass to create stunning contrasts. This adds depth and visual interest to your projects. Segment 4, Tips for Success. Here are some tips for achieving beautiful results in your wooden art projects. Always sand your wood to a smooth finish before starting. Take your time with measurements and cuts for precision. Don't be afraid to experiment. Some of the best ideas come from trying something new, so there you have it, our secrets to creating beautiful wooden art. We hope you feel inspired to start your own projects. Remember, the beauty of wooden art lies in its uniqueness and the creativity you bring to it. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share your own wooden art creations in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.